Welcome to the latest tech review where we unveil the OnePlus Nord CE Lite, a smartphone that packs a punch without punching your wallet. Dive into the 6.72-inch IPS LCD display that brings your content to life with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The screen's 120 Hz refresh rate and 680 nits peak brightness ensure smooth and vivid visuals. At the core of the Nord CE Lite is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, a balance of performance and power efficiency. With 8 GB RAM and up to 256 GB storage, multitasking is a breeze. Capture the world in high definition with the 108MP triple camera setup. Whether it's landscapes or portraits, every detail is crisp and clear. And for those selfie moments, the 16MP front camera won't disappoint. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the stereo speakers and the 5000 mAh battery. With 67W wired charging means you're powered up and ready to go in no time. Wrapped in pastel lime and chromatic gray. And all this comes at an accessible price point of around 17,499 Indian rupee, or $279. Stay tuned for more tech insights and reviews. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world of technology together.